another short hymn today, from the same book. I keep going back to repeatedly. Liber Hymnus Salmo, again, once more, same as before, written by Talek Gunwan, originally in 1962, translations, etc. This is a book of psalms and hymns in Cornish. Not all of them match directly to some of the translations. Some are translated to the meter of the song or psalm or the hymn. But so yes, not everything's translated literally, but it does give you a good representation of how perhaps more well-known hymns and psalms could be rendered in Cornish, and sometimes just in the meaning, other times direct translations. I'll go for another short one today. I think I might do Eastern Morn. You can see that text right on there on page 43. Nice short little ditty, and as usual, I'll put the text and the translation and the details in the description box below. Have a crack at getting the Canuic properly. So again, apologies if I make errors in speech. Hopefully, at least the errors in written text won't be too heinous. All right, Easter morning Cornish. Jesu Christ lei lysorges, Alleluia. Hethu ag yn death go meis, Alleluia. Ne binwyth in grels plen, Alleluia. A thaspranes col o thin, Alleluia. Gan y glen in Colenic, le glist a mitern nebec. A bothech claus hag ancaw, the selwel tis pechachol. Benef a ri go hevel, a drefi for agn selwel. Mitten nef in ilma, mechla and elef cana. Oh, I got that a little bit wrong. Let's have a crack at the second verse again. Gan y glen in Colenic, the glis and mitern ag nebec. A bothech claus hag an ancaw, the selwel tis pechachol. Benef a ri go hevel, drefi agn selwel. Mitten nef yw an ilma, mechla and elef cana. Oh, that's a bit of a tongue twister. I'll put the description in the book description in the text below as well, so you can see it. So you can read the text that's more aptly written than I can pronounce it. It's quite fun, but that one was a little bit tricky. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a lovely day.